Today, I want to share with you how to make melon seed soup, popularly known in Ghana as Wrewre Nkwan or Mianari in Hausa. To start with this is my melon seeds, Wrewre or Nari, and I am going to handpick any foreign things from this or the spoiled seeds from it as well. Hi there, if you are new here, I am Hirat and you are welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. The next, on a medium heat, I am going to transfer the seeds into a pan or you can use a pot, and I am going to give this a twist for 5 or 7 to 10 minutes until you notice the seeds has changed in color or it starts to pop. Please don't let this burn, okay? If it burns, your soup will become bitter and you wouldn't enjoy it. So if you can just look closely, you will see the seeds are starting to pop. Once it is ready, take it off the heat and let it cool down completely before transferring it into a bowl. Add water and then give it a very good wash. You can give this a wash for 2 times or 3 times until your water runs very clear, okay? So I did the washing behind the scene because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to transfer it into a blender after washing it, and then I will add water. Next, I will add some peppers to give it that rich flavor and aroma. And then I am going to add quinceañera or turkey berries. As most people know, they think turkey berry is only used when you are making palm nut soup, but you can actually add it in any soup of choice. So I am going to add it to give me that traditional flavor, and I am going to blend this till I get a smooth mixture. So once I'm done blending, I am going to use my sieve to strain this, and I am going to strain this for at least 4 times, or you can strain it till you're okay with the consistency. And if you don't have a strainer, you can just use a cheesecloth, and that is perfect. Okay. So I am going to continue with this till I'm done. If you're still with me till now, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my other socials at Hiran's Kitchen, and you will love it there as well. So once I'm done with this, I will not pour the mixture directly to my soup base because it will form lumps because of the salt in the base. So I am going to cook it separately for at least 30 minutes or till you see oil floating on top. Then your rare or melon seeds mixture is ready. So next in a pot, I have my protein, and I am going to season my protein with some salt, and you can use any protein of choice. I will then go in with garlic and ginger powder. And then here I blended onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper, and I'm going to add the puree as well. The next, I am going to add water because I will be needing the stock for my soup. Because I want the soup to taste so yummy. Okay. So I'm going to add the water and then give it a very good stir till all the proteins are well coated with the seasoning. And I am going to cover this and cook for 20 to 30 minutes until I'm okay with the texture of the protein. And then I am going to add three fresh tomatoes to my soup base, and I will allow this to steam in order to be easier for me to blend it. So I am going to cover it and allow the tomatoes to steam for at least 5 minutes, and it is okay now. So I'm going to remove them and then blend into a fine puree, and I will be back with the tomatoes. So here my protein was 80% done, and my soup was also ready. So I have to pour the soup onto my pressing, and then the actual taste or the actual yumminess will start. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the Wrewre mixture I cooked into the protein, and here the soup is almost ready. So next I'm going to add the blended tomatoes I set it aside earlier on, and then rinse the blender with small quantity of water, add it back to the soup, and then give it a very good stir. So here allow it to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. And if you notice your soup is too thick, just adjust it with water. And if it is too light, allow it to cook till you are okay with the thickness. So I'm going to garnish my soup with some peppers because I didn't add enough peppers earlier because of the kids. So I'm going to add it just like this, and I can enjoy it to my satisfaction. So here I was okay with the thickness. I just wanted it to simmer for a bit, and then our soup is ready. So here just see how yummy, inviting, and delicious this soup looks. So I am going to pair it with fufu, and you can pair it with a motu, tunzafi, or any swallow of choice. And the taste was amazing. If you haven't tried this soup before, just give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it was. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to follow me on other socials as well. Okay. And do well and watch my other videos. Bye.